Hi everyone, my name is Shiv Radhakishan. I lead the channel from a ThousandEyes perspective here in ANZ. If you are an existing Cat9k customer that has DNA Advantage or Premier licensing, this is a view that you can get today. Now, in terms of what's on the screen right now, page load is very important, and I can start to see what locations are facing issues. And again, in the example, I can start to see Vancouver and Seattle are having issues, and I can of course click into those and go into what is causing that page load issue. I can go from an overview perspective, and this is probably one of the best pages to again give me more location information, as well as loss latency jitter, which is very important to the business. And path visualization gives me location to location analytics. From a path visualization perspective, this is probably one of the most popular pages that ThousandEyes shows and showcases. So in this example, I can see that we have a location in Montreal, and I can see, again, location by location analytics into the path. So Montreal is connecting to Toronto, which is connecting to, let's go down to Chicago, which is then connecting to Phoenix, which is then connecting to the application. So you can start to see the route and the location information, and that becomes very important, because if I'm sitting here in Brisbane and I need to connect to an application, am I going to go all the way to Canada and then back to the application, or am I going to connect through Sydney to that application? And why that's actually very important is because when you look at page load time, if I'm connecting all the way to North America, that's going to be adding more page load time for not just myself, but for my users. So understanding the path information is very, very important.